How's it going, bros? Vampire 23 here. Welcome to all Vampire Hunters. Today, we are
I don't know what it is.
doing a challenge. What's inside the box challenge?
I'm gonna move. And this is Tom 2006. I can't look.
Yeah, I'm here with Tom 2006. So now let's get started. Okay, go.
It feels like a Sharpie.
You're right.
Yay! Go.
Okay, this is my turn. So
What is it?
a minion.
How'd you know?
Cause it feels like a Monopoly minion sword.
How'd you know? How did you know?
Duh, it was rubber and all that.
Ugh.
Go.
It's my turn, and I wonder what the heck is that? What the heck is that? Are they those ear thingies?
What are they called?
I don't know. I don't know.
Give up?
No.
Tell me when you give up.
Earwax thingies. Wipe your ears.
Correct.
Listen up. Yay! They're earwaxes.
They're Q-tips.
Q-tips. Okay, and go.
Hey guys, it's my turn now, so, yeah.
What is it?
It's a sharpener.
Which one?
Feels like the pirate one.
How'd you got that? You saw it.
No, I didn't.
How did you get that right? Oh my gosh.
Go.
It's in a dollar bill.
Yes!
That was easy. I don't want money. And now it's his turn. Go check what it is.
Seriously, a Lego piece.
I knew you were going to get that right. Okay.
It's his turn, so now, one more thing.
Come on, it's Jolly Rancher. No, it was actually 3.
Yes.
35. Okay, and it's his turn. 6.
Okay, guys, don't tell me it's that balloon.
What balloon?
That snake one.
No.
What is it?
You give up?
Yes.
It's a rocket shooter. It's one of those rocket shooters.
Looks like Tombo 2006 one.
And this is my prize. This is my prize. This is my prize.
So that was the end of our challenge. So Tombo 2006 is at gymnastics right now. He's a gymnast. So if you like this video, please leave a like and a comment. And why not subscribe to the Vampire Hunter 23 channel. That includes my brother Tombo 2006. Which it is awesome. So, this has been Vampire Hunter 23 out.